On this short video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix TikTok not letting you create a new account. First thing you wanna do is open the settings and then open the apps manager like this. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds, scroll all the way until you find TikTok, click on it and then click on this force stop option and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then all what you want to do next is restart your phone. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have one last solution, which is you have to remove TikTok from your phone and re-download it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.